My name is Carlos. And I'll be first performing the breast examination. So first, we are going to provide patient on fluorescence and explaining the procedure to the patient. Because it is a very revealing procedure and it's very uncomfortable. So we should make sure to retain the dignity of our patient. And next we are going to after explaining the procedure, we're going to schedule the exam for the appropriate date for women. It should be 5 to 7 days after menstruation, because during menstruation there are hormonal changes in the female that may cause incorrect that may come up as incorrect findings during the examination. Next is to prepare our equipment for the self-examination. It should be a below flat surface, good lighting, and yourself. Next, so we are going to stand in front of a mirror, and with our shoulders straight and our arms to the hips, we are going to be observing our breast visually for any unusual findings. And then after that, we're going to place our hands above our behind our head, and we're going to still observe the same areas. Afterwards, we're going to place our hands back on our hips, and we're going to pump our chest out, exert muscles in our chest area, and observing for discharge from the nose.
Put your arm behind your
afterwards,
head, and then you're
we're going to be, I cannot do it here, but it should be next, we're going to be lying down in this position. So, with our right shoulder elevated by the middle, and our hand behind our head, we're going to palpate our right breast with our left hand, using 3 fingers. And we're going to palpate by so we're going to palpate. So first is our circular palpation, which we palpate in a spiral motion from the upper nipple
and then
to the axillary cervical area.
And then after that is you're going to observe for any abnormalities such as lumps, thickening, and hardened nuts. And then you're going to repeat the procedure on the other side.
The vertical palpation, which is just palpating from the
vertical strip. And then wedge from the nipples to the elbow. Then after that is palpation while sitting or standing. So you're going to palpate your breast while standing or in the shower. And then
palpating from the outer nipple and palpating in a
shower, and then you will observe and palpate your axillary, going to the supraclavicular area, and then you're going to do it on the other side.
After that, after all those, just repeat on the other side.
then after that,
Next.
you're going to report any abnormalities
Make
to the
sure
healthcare
to
provider
note
immediately.
any
And then
things such
perform
as
hygiene, and then
thickening